In this video, I'm going to show you how to liquify in Photopea. First of all, head over to your Photopea project and import the image that you want to liquify. Once your image is placed on the canvas, go to the right-hand side of your screen and make sure the correct image layer is selected in the Layers panel. It is very important to select the proper layer because the liquify filter will only apply to the active layer. After selecting your image layer, move to the top of your screen and click on the Filter option. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Liquify. As soon as you click on it, a separate Liquify window will open where you can start modifying your image. On the right-hand side of this window, you will see several adjustment options that control how the liquify effect behaves. You can adjust these settings either by using the sliders or by manually entering numeric values, depending on your preference. The first option you will see is Size, which controls the size of your brush cursor. If you want to liquify larger areas in your image, increase the brush size. If you want to work on smaller details, reduce the size for more precise control. Next, you have Density. In simple terms, density controls how strongly the surrounding pixels are affected when you drag. If you want to stretch or push an area further, increase the density value. You will also see the Rate option, and keeping it at 100% is generally recommended for consistent and effective results. To zoom into a specific area for better precision, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Once you are zoomed in, simply click on the part of the image you want to modify and drag your mouse in the direction where you want to move it. You can liquify almost anything in your image. For example, if you have mountains in the background, you can slightly reduce the brush size and drag to give them more custom or cartoon-like shapes. If there are rocks in the sea, you can adjust them as well to make it look like there are more rocks, or to reshape them according to your creative vision. The tool gives you complete flexibility to reshape and distort elements however you like. Take your time while making adjustments so that the changes look natural and controlled. Once you are satisfied with all the modifications, click on the OK button in the Liquify window to apply the changes. After that, you will return to your main workspace and you will be able to see all the edits successfully applied to your image. And this is how you can liquify an image in Photopea.